If you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? Yo.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting the licks in the band. Legacies.